Welcome to Cart Nation Technical Support. Today, we will review code EC43, indicating a potential issue with the brake switch. I will guide you through 6 simple steps to resolve this issue. Step 1. Ensure the cart is on a completely flat surface and the parking brake is fully engaged. Step 2. Turn the rubber grommet counterclockwise to release the brake switch assembly. Step 3. Unplug the brake switch. Step 4. Take your new brake switch and assembly and screw it clockwise into place using the rubber grommet in its original position. Step 5. Secure any excess wiring by tucking it neatly underneath the harness to prevent it from dragging or getting damaged. Step 6. Plug in the brake switch and ensure it is securely and neatly tucked away to prevent any dragging or damage.